Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to just show you a digital asset that I made for creating debris. So it might be useful for some, might save some time. So I'm just gonna go over some of it. It's nothing special. You can download it. It's in the link in the description. Make changes to it if you want. Let's see. So do we have you do the usual stuff. You fracturing it, take the proxy into the simulation. This is the default things, and then we have the debris maker, which you can pipe in to get some RBD debris. So we have 3 inputs and 3 outputs. So the first input being the simulation. The second one, if you want to, is the high res. So this is the high res. Doesn't do anything, but the asset kind of deals with it so that you can get like this. So now it's the high res. The proxy is transferring the animation to it. The third one I'm going to show you a bit later. That is custom collision objects. Okay, so the outputs being the debris, the second one being the high res, if you want to. The third one is just the proxy. And then we can merge the proxy and the debris, and we get debris and the high res. And some changes you can make is well, these guys. So when you're making changes to the debris, especially the density, you're gonna wanna click on the reset debris source sim. And now we barely have any. Yeah, not any at all. And so if I change this to 1,000, nothing is happening. Is it like it's buggy? Then you have to just reset it, and now you have more again. What else? So we have the distance threshold, how far your piece is gonna have to be before they generate new debris, speed threshold, volume threshold. So maybe you don't want small pieces from your original sim to generate debris. You can specify that here. Max point and seed. Let's see. What else do we have? So we got the debris size. So min and max. If I set this to lower, I don't think I have to reset the size. Yeah, so now it's like much smaller. So you can play around with that. Then we have, if you don't want to sim, so you just want to have this kind of thing, so you want to deal with that yourself, you can do so. So now it's not gonna do any simulation on it. But let's turn that on. We have use, if you don't want to use the ground, now it's just gonna fall down. Obviously it's gonna collide with your original these guys, but there's not gonna be a ground. What else? You can do a spin, min and max, velocity multiplier, yeah, drag, bounce, friction. You can do, if you want to, we can also do UVs on these guys. So now they should be UV'd, unwrapped. Let's make this bigger. And let's see. So now they have UVs on them. And UV scale, you can change that. And that's pretty much it for the settings. It's nothing special, but so let's say we want to have a custom, for whatever reason you want to have a custom collision. Let's move this if I can. I do not like Houdini's. Let's see. So we have that, make that bigger. And let's not see that. Let's not. And now it's colliding with that. If that's even possible to see, yeah. It's colliding with it. And you can, of course, animate this as well. Let's do an animation. And make it like so. And there we go. Now it's colliding. And you can, of course, drop in more stuff. So you can add another one. And let's say this is going to be our custom ground. And we can remove use the ground, the default one. And now it's you have a custom ground. Maybe you want to have some noise on it, whatever. But yeah, that's about it. It's nothing special, but it might help speed things up a little bit. Yeah, so download it in the link in the description. Okay.